Hello people all over the world. The one-man brake and clutch bleeding tool only costs $2.99 at Wilco here in UK. So this is the first time I'm gonna be using this kit, this bleeding kit. Right, you're gonna follow the procedure. Right, let's check inside what it looks like. Oh goodness. Right, that's it. Right, we got a flexible hose and the hose itself, and I think that's a one-way bulb. One-way bulb. Right, that's one of the things we need. So I'm going to be using this. Let's put it in there. So procedure: insert. Yep, already been inserted. And clean the bleed nipple and push on the tube. Right, open the bleed nipple. Open. Then loosen half turn. That's what it says in the loosen half turn. The spanner you need is 11. So half turn, half turn, half turn. Okay. Go. Then, so with the nipple, half turn, and with a suitable spanner, push retaining strap firmly over the tube and nipple. Looks like we're gonna lock that with this. So, put it in there, lock firmly, and strap. So we're gonna push this over the tube. And tight. There you go. I think that's it. And right. So Vizibleed